This video will show you how to cancel your YouTube TV membership whether you're on a free trial or paid plan. You cannot cancel your membership on the app. There's no option to. You'll need to sign into your YouTube TV account on a browser, on your computer, or phone. It's the same process for both, and I'll show you on the computer first. Go to tv.youtube.com and sign in. Click on your Gmail icon on the top right corner and go to Settings. It should take you to the membership page. Hit Manage next to YouTube TV. Scroll down and under Cancel Your Membership, hit Cancel. Press Yes, Cancel. You have now canceled your membership. You'll still have access to YouTube TV until the end of the billing cycle. It's the same steps on the browser on your phone. Go to tv.youtube.com. There may not be a login button, but if you hit the Try It Offer button, you can sign in. Press your Gmail icon on the top right corner and go to Settings. Press Manage next to YouTube TV. Scroll down and hit Cancel under Cancel Your Membership and press Yes, Cancel. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out.